One sunny morning, everyone in the village felt very hungry. Then suddenly, a delicious smell floated through the air. The magical donut machine was finally ready! Pip carefully pulled the shiny golden lever. But Pip suddenly felt a big dragon hiccup coming. Whoosh! Dancing donuts blasted into the sky.
The whole village turned into donut chaos. Bo slid St. Rate into a giant jelly donut. Riff couldn't see anything under his donut hat.
Mimi and Momo turned giant donuts into bouncy trampolines. Pip tried to stop the donut storm, but every hiccup made more donuts appear.
Soon, the donuts became a giant donut mountain.
And from that day on, the Dancing Donut Festival became the funniest day in the village.